For those of you in the automotive industry, you're going to find that IAA, which is an insurance auto auction, is something you probably are aware of. Similar to Copart, they process a lot of vehicles that are insurance claim vehicles. Vehicles where the insurance company paid out a claim, maybe a total loss, maybe a salvage, sometimes parts only. And IAA is one of the biggest insurance auctions along with Copart. Well, what's going on in the news is that Ritchie Brothers, which is famous for doing equipment sales like payloaders, off-road trucks, maybe even things like tractors, is taking an ownership stake, maybe buying the whole thing for IAA. Look, we do a lot of titles for clients of IAA and even Ritchie Brothers. So we see both of these companies operate on a regular basis. They're both very well-run companies. They're both very efficient, have great management. The footprint of IAA is a little bigger. Ritchie Brothers is more niche-oriented to the construction industry. So even though their operations and their processes are similar, the assets that they sell are different. One is construction, one is motor vehicles in the insurance industry. It's a perfect fit for both companies because their work processes and workflows are very similar. They can probably get a lot of economy of scale by combining some of that, and maybe even combining their location. So if you have, imagine a Ritchie Brothers location that sells equipment, and now all of a sudden you start to be able to use it as a facility for insurance vehicle disposal, it's kind of a hand-in-glove fit. At the same token, if you have insurance auto auction locations that you can now put some equipment on, that may help have a wider variety of buyers look at this equipment. Because look, equipment sales are very difficult to operate because not everybody needs equipment, right? There's only so many buyers for it. So if you can get those out closer to more buyers using the IAA auction footprint, that might be a way to get higher prices for your inventory and have more auction fees. The other difference between the two is in most cases, the Ritchie Brothers type sale of equipment doesn't have titles. A lot of these are non-titled assets. They're off-road equipment or construction equipment, where IAA has vehicle titles because they're an insurance claim, parts only title, salvage title, certificate of destruction, rebuilt title are usually what comes with these. Because it's a motor vehicle, it's going to have a documented title where the equipment may not have that.